Hey everyone, how you doing? Listen, I got the email in today. D.R. Horton has this community, Victoria Oaks in DeLand, Florida. Right now, they have this Robie floor plan, which is a beautiful 2-story floor plan house, usually about $550. This one came back on the market. The financing fell through, so they really want to get this one off their books. 403 they're asking, 403 for it. It is a super steal, and they're offering $15,000 towards your closing costs and a 5.99% interest rate. I mean, it is just unbelievable, the builder incentives that they're offering. So if you want to check out this house, give me a call. Victoria Oaks, it's in DeLand, Florida. The Robie floor plan, you can Google that, and it should be right there for you. Click the link in my the description, raynado.com, and book an appointment on my calendar, and we'll go show you this house. Hopefully you're having a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.